name is Jerry, and Lee, and I'm really happy that I got the house through Rudy Kusuma's home selling team. This guy Steve, he has been a very good agent for me, and I'm really impressed with his negotiation skills and his capability to get the transaction closed soon. I'm very happy, and yeah, I just want to let people know. Yeah. Oh, San Bernardino price here are very inexpensive, and I actually went to the school here. I graduated from the Cal State San Bernardino MBA program, and I kind of know this area. Not here, but not the University Avenue, that area. Yeah, so I was living close to a school when I was doing my graduate studies. Oh, this house actually has a very good design. Not really. I'm not quite sure about the structural, but you know, as an investor myself, I like the setup, like the garage. You can drive your car in, and people can feel safe. I mean, the future tenant can feel safe. Just close the door, and this house is stairs, and for them to enjoy. And I find this place could be like a castle-like, have tenants to feel protected. Even though this area may not be the top one, but I think the house is not bad at all. Not bad. Oh, I actually met Steven through the other properties. I actually called Rudy, but he referred me to Steven at the other property close to Baseline. Yeah, Baseline. Yeah. Steven's impression to me was very friendly, very personable, and he's passionate about helping me out, and I'm really impressed with his capabilities, and I like him a lot, and I build my trust in him because I've seen many agents. I've seen many as my job, so I think this guy is good. Yeah, this guy is good. He's trustworthy. In a word, yeah. In short, trustworthy. Yeah. Zillow.com. I was doing a sort. I was sorting the price and location. I was looking for the San Bernardino area. Yeah, I know we can close it soon because I know his capability to, his knowledge, his experiences. I think he knows what to do. I don't really need to remind him of this and that, and he basically can take care. Yeah, I think the best thing for me to tell other people is he knows what he's doing, and he actually self-initiated. He helps you out without you asking. So pretty much, I've been mortgage and real estate industry for a long time. Okay, so I know this guy knows what he's doing, and that's great. You know, yeah. So I didn't have to worry when I have to take care of my parents back home in Taiwan. I can just fly there and come back, and without worry other issues, and he's just going to take care. And I'm really happy with, and I have trust in him. And I think that Steve is impressive. Yeah, very impressive. Very impressive. Yeah, because he made me feel worry-free. Yeah. Worry-free. Because I know what to do after I take over the house, but just in the transaction, I'm a mortgage guy. I'm a mortgage. Okay.